Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious yogurt rice, an easy and comforting dish. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You will need 1 cup of cooked rice, 1 cup of plain yogurt, and about 1/4 cup of milk. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of salt to season our dish. We'll also prepare a simple tempering with a small amount of oil to enhance the flavors. The foundation of great yogurt rice is perfectly cooked rice. Start by cooking 1 cup of rice until it is soft and slightly mushy, which helps it absorb the yogurt better. Once cooked, spread it out and let it cool completely to room temperature. This prevents the yogurt from curdling when mixed. Then, gently mash the rice a little with the back of a spoon for a creamier texture. Now let's bring it all together. In a large bowl, combine your cooled, mashed rice with 1 cup of plain yogurt and 1/4 cup of milk. Stir in 1 teaspoon of salt until the mixture is smooth and well combined. For an aromatic touch, heat a small amount of oil in a pan and add mustard seeds, curry leaves, and chopped green chilies. Once fragrant, pour this hot tempering over your yogurt rice mixture. Your delicious yogurt rice is now ready to be served. For a beautiful presentation and added freshness, garnish it with some finely chopped fresh coriander leaves or a sprinkle of vibrant pomegranate seeds. This comforting and cooling dish is perfect as a light meal or a refreshing side. It is best enjoyed immediately to savor its creamy texture and balanced flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.